Tally ho, friends! Today we're going to be working on tally marks in math. You'll need page 179 and 180 from your Envision paper packet. Let's take a look at the first problem. For every spider you see, we're going to count them and then show the number in tally marks and then write it. Let's take a look. First, circle the spiders. Let's classify which one are spiders. There's a spider. That one's a spider. Ooh, okay, I've got all my spiders. Are you circling all the spiders on your paper? Oh, that's an ant. That's not a spider there. All right, count your spiders. How many did you have? Me too. We're going to do 8 in tally marks. That is a big number in tally marks. We have only done up to 7. But what do you think 8 is? Just one more. We can do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. I heard Olive say it. 6, 7, 8. Guys, we just did 8 tally marks. And I'm going to write my 8 right here. There were 8 bugs that classified as spiders. All right. Out of the bugs, which ones are not spiders? Which ones do not classify as spiders? That's not a spider. I'm going to put an X on it. That's not a spider. I put an X on it. Do the same thing on your paper. X out the ones that do not classify as spiders. How many bugs do not classify as spiders? Did you get your number? Show me. 4. Can we write 4 in our tally marks under the not a spider column? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's write 4 on the line. Down and 4. Great job, class. I'm going to erase my board, but you keep all your hard work on your paper. Let's do the next problem together. Everyone, let me hear you say, tally ho! Great job. All right, let's take a look. I have all sorts of birds in the tree. I also have birds that are outside the tree. Can you help me classify how many birds are in the tree and how many birds are out of the tree? Circle the birds that are in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds in the tree. Let's show that in tally marks underneath our tree. Here we go. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me see your paper. Good job, Damien. Good job, Rex Angelo. Looking good, Ricardo. All right, let's write 4 on our line. And straight down to the bottom, 4. How many birds do not classify as in the tree? How many birds are not in a tree? Let's put an X on those. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds that are not in the tree. I need to show that with tally marks. 1, 2, 3. Let me see on your paper. Great job. Write the number 3. A bump to the middle, a bump to the bottom. Great job, class. You're doing awesome. Let's look at another problem together. Now, if you need more time, hit the long spacebar button, and that will make Miss Wilson freeze until you are ready to move on. I'm gonna erase my paper. You keep all your hard work on yours. All right, guys, looks like we're gonna be doing some more classifying and more tallying. Let me hear you say tally ho. All right, here we go. Can you classify the ants as red or not red? Let's circle the red ants. 1, 2. Circle each of the red ants and count the number that you have at the end. Make sure you get them all. How many red ants do you have? I hear some of you saying 7. Let's write 7. Here we go. In our tally marks, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. How many of you remembered to do 5 across? Great job. 6 and 7. Let's write the number 7 on our line. Great job. How many ants do not classify as a red ant? Draw an X over them. That one's not red. That one's not red. Make sure you're doing this on your paper. When you cross out all the ants that are not red, count your X's. What number did you get? 7. Hey, we know how to tally that. Let's tally it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. I heard you, Amaya. Good job. 6, 7. Write it on the line. There are 7 ants that are not red. Great job, guys. Look at the next picture. You should see a picture of bees and flowers. How many bees are on a flower? Circle the bees that are on a flower. How many are there? Let's show that in tally marks. 1, 2. Are there 2 bees? Ooh, I heard someone say that looks like an 11. You know, it would look like an 11, but we know we're doing tally marks, right? So that's 2. Good job. Let's write 2 on the line so nobody gets mixed up. They know that we have 2. We're labeling it. Kind of like we do in writing. How many bees are not on a flower? Draw your X's over your bees that are not on a flower. Count them up. All right, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you ready? Let's do our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. Is that forest I heard? 6. There we go. 6 bees that are not on a flower. Let's write our number on the line. Down to the bottom, curve it up, and make it touch on the middle. Nice job. You guys did a really good job. I want to see how well you can do on the next one. I'm erasing my board. You keep all your hard work on your board. All right. For this very last one, look at the mice. Can you sort these mice so that they are only in 2 groups? I have 3 colors, but how could I classify them so that I only have 2 groups? Hey! These are all white. They could be one group. And these are not white. There's one way I could sort them. I could count up each of them and write my numbers on the line. You could also say that these ones are on all 4 feet. These ones are only on 2 feet. And I could classify them like that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many are up? 2. 2 are not on all 4 feet. You could do it like that, or maybe you can think of an even different way. All of our problem at the bottom will look different. You try to classify so that you only have 2 groups. And then once you sort them, count the number you have and write the numbers of each group on the line. Great job today, guys.